Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to all in my virtual class. I am Shahjalal Ahmed Pial, lecturer in Finance and Banking, Milestone College, Uttara. I hope all are fine and well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear students, let's start the class.
My dear students, today I'm going to discuss future value. This is the chapter number 3, time value of money. Today's topics are: what do you mean by the future value? How to calculate the future value? How to calculate the future value for single time deposit or return when the compounding yearly, and how to calculate the future value for single time deposit or return when compounding is monthly, and also we'll solve mathematical problems in future value for single deposits or return. Now we will discuss what is the future value, or what do you understand by future value. The future value refers to the value of an asset or cash at a particular date in the future which is equivalent to the value of a specified sum at present. The future value can also be explained as the amount of money which will be reached by a present investment as a result of its growth in future. As money features time value, the future value is obviously expected to be higher than the present value. Now we will learn how to calculate the future value. Calculating the future value. The future value is calculated in the following two ways. First one, for an asset with simple annual interest, the future value is calculated as original investment into 1 plus interest rate into number of years. This is the formula of simple interest rate future value. Now, the another process or calculating of future value for an asset featuring interest compounded annually, for the future value is calculated as original investment into 1 plus interest rate power number of year. So dear students, there are two basic formula for calculating future value. If the interest rate is simple and if the interest rate are compounded. Now we will practice two formula of calculating future value. Formula number 1 for single time deposit or return and yearly compounding. Future value equals to PB into 1 plus I power n, and when the compounding is monthly for single deposit or return, then the future value will be PB into 1 plus I divided m power m into n. Here m equals to number of compounding in a year. When you are solve a monthly, quarterly, semi-annually compounding, then you will be used this formula. Now we show a problem of these formulas. Problem number 1. Mr. Alam wants to deposit taka 10 lakh in a bank for 6 years. He has two alternatives. Trust Bank will pay 7% compounding interest and another Rupali Bank will pay 6% monthly compounded interest. Now the requirement: how much money Mr. Alam will get from Trust Bank at the end of the period, and the second, depositing money in which bank is more profitable for Mr. Alam. Students, now we'll see the solution of this problem. First one, we calculate the future value of Trust Bank. We will apply the formula of single deposit or return for yearly compounding in Trust Bank. Given that present value equals to 10 lakhs, rate of interest is 7% or 0.07, number of year is 6, future value, what? We will calculate the future value. We know future value equals to PB into 1 plus I power n. Now we putting the value in the formula and calculate the value, and we will find out the future value is taka 15 lakhs 730.35. So Mr. Alam will get taka 15 lakh 730 from Trust Bank after 6 years. Now we will solve the another requirement, future value of Rupali Bank. This is also single deposit or return basis. This is the compounding is monthly compounding for single deposit or return. So the future value will be PB into 1 plus I divided by M into N. Given that present value is taka 10 lakhs, rate of interest I equals to 6% or 06.06. Number of year is 6. Number of compounding is 12 because this is the monthly compounding problem. Future value what? Now we will put in the value in this formula. PP equals to 10 lakhs 1 plus I equals to 0.06 divided by M equals to 12 power 12 into 6. After calculation, we find out the value of future value 14 lakhs 32,044.27. Now Mr. Alam will get taka 14 lakhs 32,044.27 from Rupali Bank after 6 years. So Trust Bank is more profitable, Mr. Alam, because future value of Trust Bank is more than the future value of Rupali Bank. So Mr. Alam invested Trust Bank for more profit. Dear students, I hope all are understand how to calculate future value for single deposit or return in yearly compounding, also monthly compounding. Thank you to all and goodbye.